From an IT perspective, how can you get some ROI out of a technical lift and shift from your Maximo 7.6 to the IBM Mass 9 upgrade? Well, we talked about this a little in depth on another video, but let's just talk about the ROI portion. There are a couple areas where you can generate quick ROI. The first one is going to be licensing. Two aspects of that. There's the licensing for the users and there's the licensing for the database side. On the database side, IBM DB2 is free for use with the application suite. If you're paying for licenses for SQL Server or for Oracle, then take a look at getting shifted over to DB2. It'll cost you $50-75K to make that shift while you're doing the upgrade, but you are going to quickly, probably in year one, save money, if not in the first 24 months by doing that. And then you're seeing ROI down the road from there. On the user side of the fence, because of the way user licenses worked and the security groups were built, we see 90+% of our customers reducing their cost of licensing by simply reassessing the security groups and user assignments. That's something that we do every day for our customers. Come in and assess that, buy that down. Assess, reconfigure, and save on your licenses. Or in some cases, we see enterprises have a lot of users that want to get into the system that don't currently have access because they don't have licenses. You can now provide access to those people. The next opportunity is deployment of the IBM mobile product. You may be using a third-party mobile product because, frankly, the traditional IBM mobile product had some challenges. The current product is amazing. It works the way a technician works. The licenses, it's the same app points. You don't have to buy another license like you used to have to with the 7.6 series product. So you have a singular license that works for desktop or mobile. Enable that mobile, make the users more efficient at the same time because it's easier for them. You're going to get fewer calls for support because I can't figure this out on the desktop. They're going to be doing it on the mobile. That is, from an IT perspective, how you can see some quick ROIs out of a technical lift and shift upgrade to the application suite. More thoughts, more questions? We get it. It's deep water. Reach out, give us a call, shoot us an email. Get ready with Banetti.